Hey Couch Cadets, it's Alex with CouchDotCom. Today we are going to talk about couch cleaning. Cleaning your couch is essential, it's important, and it's something that creates a lot of anxiety with people. How am I gonna clean my couch? What's the best thing to clean my couch? Am I gonna ruin my couch? You're not gonna ruin your couch. Everybody has to deal with this, and there are some great remedies and ways to do it. What is the best thing to clean fabric seats? Most fabric couches these days are polyester based, which means they are cleanable in various ways using various different solvents. You can use stuff that is made at home, like a home remedy, and you can use things that are bought in a store. There are plenty of fabric upholstery cleaning products out there. But check the type of fabric that you have, because if you had a linen, for instance, you may not be able to put any sort of water-based solvent on it whatsoever, and you may need to go the different route, like a dry cleaning. So it really does depend on the type of fabric that you have on your couch. That being said, when it comes to the law of averages, most people have a polyester-based couch, and most polyester-based couches are very simple to clean. First, you want to try a little bit of water. A little dab will do ya, just to see if whatever you spilled on it, chocolate pudding, pen marks, basically any kind of pudding, if you put pudding on your couch and you need to see if it comes out, try water first. If the water doesn't work, then you need to bring out the big guns. There we would go to a typical fabric upholstery cleaning product. A lot of these moonlight as rug upholstery cleaning products or rug cleaning products. You want to check the labels, you want to make sure that it's good for your type of fabric, but there are so many products out there, and today with Amazon and things of that nature, you can have something at your door even that night, next day, or 2 days later to be able to clean your couch. What is the easiest to clean couch fabric? Generally speaking, couches today are made predominantly with polyester-based materials. That's simply because they are the easiest to clean. Polyester fabrics include things like velvet, microfiber. These are both different words for polyester or different types of polyester. And there are other synthetic materials like performance fabrics and things of that nature that are actually polyester-based. How often should you air out a futon? Futons are couches that you have in your home that can convert into beds. Generally places for you or your buddies or your family members to fall asleep on and crash. That means that they are prone to getting a little bit dirtier if people are spending more of their time or their life on it. Outside of cleaning the fabric, one great tip that we have for you is to air out your cushions outside of the house, preferably in sunlight or sunshine. The sun has been found to have this sort of magical antibacterial effect on fabric cushions. So if you have cushions, generally you feel like you shouldn't be putting them in direct sunlight. However, for short periods of time, it can have a very positive effect, be cleansing, and have an antibacterial effect as well on the cushion's fabric. How do you clean a leather couch after your cat peed on it? Very quickly. If your cat peed on your sofa, there's one hard and fast rule. You gotta act fast. When it comes to cat pee on couch cushions, you want to move as quickly as possible. Time is of the essence. Leather, even though it is extremely easy to clean, is a porous material. That means that things will seep into it. It's a fabric, it's a skin. Nobody wants to think about that, but it's true. Paper towel, wet paper towel, whether you have cleaning products ready or not, you want to get to it quickly. Then we want to use any sort of upholstery cleaning products that are safe for leather, and those can be different than those that are safe for fabric or upholstery cushions, because the genetic makeup, literally and figuratively, is quite different. So you want to check the labels. And finally, we recommend finishing it off always. Anytime you clean leather with any sort of liquid solvent or cleaning product, you want to finish it off with some nice leather conditioner product. So if you have a leather couch, you might as well spend $10, $15 on a very nice leather conditioning product, because that's going to keep it nice and smooth and sort of give you a reset anytime you need to clean it.